ya bụ hia owedo ika ebodo na we ma di ewuga ori iwemi uga o iwemi e na ki o ma ai gwan ma ya wo oi ma ni gun na o ti yo di ka we e ba o ya fe ba de mi ma gwan kan o e bo di gun na so pa ma ni ba we o no ma ye o we ro e ma ni be o no gi mia o we ro e boy no ma me ai mu dia ka egbe no me kina ma ni ma hia o ika e bo do na we ukwu na tu ebe do ime oni ya swen are ya agun aka ukwu ni ma tu ebe do megi webe segbe ekenu ukwu na tu ebe do ye na do miewe eni o wa bun wo openi ni ma ko ni ebe do o wa ro e ba so ga ho gi ma tu ukwu ni ma tu na tu ka eni ihe mi na go tu ka eni ihe mi na je ni ka ukwu ni ya wa oge ta e ya wa to keka ni yiwu ge bi yo la gie san aka me mo ka me we ti ma tu la gie san ye la gie san ni ye wa o di ye rere ye ma we oge oge sa aka mami ama we unie we ra me oge ezomo no mami o di o se ni mana yu dan gwa ka gwa kan eni ene ya we na gwa kan ni o me na ya na eni he ta na ebo ti spelling ha na atia anana na ya don do de wa ina do ladio ri ana do awon ndo ni ana we na ka ro na be na ya na he ari do su we ke na ni ana do mie we eri na ya na ebotie ya bidi mane do matie ya bidi ebotie abcd ama fie agbo eri ebe be na we ye ama wa bidi egi agben ye edo ama we abcd egi agben ye ebo tun doni iwo de yi mare ma ya fe be na mi abidi ore bo e da le mi abidi ore do u kaka bo ye o tun da ma rata when ma ya tie abidi na o do aladia we ne bata o do aladia we ne mata o do aladia o do ago o do adezien du wa de o ya ma o na re do iti awon ya o iti awon ya le ti awon ba ni ma ba ni we bis e bana yesu ku ebisi de mana mwe obi na ni na ti esiloti ana amugbe na re o ma mi no kwa na ti Napoleon osadie ne no mama edo ebo we ni si ebo we no pebo ebo we na ri ave o ya ma mo ye asobo ibe ti ye ti o ma mi no kwa na ti Bello Yesufu na ido ati Benson Oyawale ya evangelist de na o ma me edo ya dia wa na o emi ni aye ewu ise ya ma mi gbe o ja ge din o wa di patako na na gbon yi re abidi na kana abidi ore bo ba we na le do ma we fun da do ba yanze we o ya ko ta popa ona ye a ona ye b ona ye d ona ye f g I k l m n o O P R C T U V W Y Z. No quando non aqui, no roto tornare a nekere avec Benny, aye no kwa soin. Aye nekere de roto to ya so chefo. Awe beta A B D E F G H I K L M N O P R C T U V W Y Z. Negie na ejobe no. Beni ta ba na weke na gbe no kwa. O me ke na gbe ne kere. Anya so ani o ma ni o ma na gbon. No kwa na ya so. Aye ne kere so. Are you no kwa so. I think you ne kere you way every day na dia ba. Mani again, man, I hear we were in my every day. In my yasi one. In my yasi one, I'll be dinner. No, in my yasi one. Okay. A B D A F G E K L M N O P R C T U V W Z. A B D A K L M N O P R City uvi wizi. About odi do my on we rundabo agagbeni edo asi weladian. Then no pogeba all well. Ari amia bidina. Abedo amie agbeva we. Agbeva yo ni ka we. Abigeva adori ekugbe adua time na kaka we opano oni ebote double consonants agbeva nebote double consonants manedo won ebo mu bo won oni ma yo ni se ala mami oge o owo eva ya na isa ya iyan manedo won ire agbeva what go? Look at all you B. I be G. I be B. Kube. Undo I B. A G. A B. Oh. Undo I B. I mean. No pogeba. I be G. G. No me G would go on. I be G. I be he by. He no jacket. I may have to be otherwise ri. What ri? Yeah, we give me your pan. A year bill, otherwise ri. A year key, a year he, so pan ri. As the other could go at ri. Okay, look at her. Why? I will me a key to a key bank, the key way. I will me a Pierre here by. Otherwise, we. You want a we. A year creep, a year peep, oh, keep it, otherwise, we. They cannot be a beep. I will hear that jump. Oh, now, I hear creep. I don't hear he. I don't hear he, I don't hear backy. Otherwise, he. Mammy, but I hear our own. He. Bill, so he. So I don't mean Eva, me, Matty, me, very, me. I don't hear by we, my we, me, we, I hear back to bed, otherwise, me. How about you? Me, me. When I'm in the boom room, my name don't do me. Only a bevani machine. Oh, baby, don't know where I go back. Are you free? Okay. And now the V, and then I by B, a B already. I mean, and yeah, by all do I V. Oh, yeah, V. I mean, oh, you know, I feel what V. Huh. I get B, I get V, I get B, I get V, I get V. Oh, I V. Okay. I don't kick in a row. I did really, I don't did really, I don't hear by he, he will go, he. I hear back away. Oh, do I re? How about you? Re, re. Oh, bien. Oh, you not the other go do. Re. Evan boom. Oh, what beaucoup. Bien, I had many. E que na die ri, yen die ri, yen die yo, ri, we ri, okpa, ri, we ri, okpa, ugunga, no, agbeva, akibanga yo, ona e gbi, awache, gbi, ona e ri, awache, ri, on a eu pi, on va tirer pi, on a eu ri, on va tirer ri, on a eu mi, on va tirer mi, on a eu vi, on va tirer vi, on a eu ri, on va tirer ri. On peut voir où, à tout moment, et que nanado a dit yeni, nanado a gmaché, a nandaché, voilà, il n'y a pas. Or if a man am I here, am I here video to there? You don't run to my for all our young people, our children who have never attempted the ABCD in Edo language, this is the Edo language ABCD. ABCD. Most of them, you have to, it's like adding I to it to make it sound good. B, it's like B, B, D, E, you see, there are two E's here. One is A, R, B, D, A. It's not E, I'm sorry. It's A. Then there's one with dot underneath it, which is A. You see the big one? This is the small one. These are the small letters. These are the big letters. So if you pronounce this one, Fi, it's as if you are looking at F-I. Fi. And then this one is G. It's pronounced G. Or this one is H. It's pronounced He. This is I. It's pronounced E. E is not I. It's E. When you come to many pronunciations of some English words, then you will see how useful it will be for you because you know E in a two language. India, okay. And this is Ki, Li, not L, Li, Me, me, me. This is Ni. This is O, and then there's an O with a dot underneath it, which is O, as you say O, R, or you will see it in some names, okay? Then you say P, you say Ri, C, S-I, C, okay? T, it's like a T-I, T, U, it's not a U, it's a U, see? V, V, we, okay? Ye, ye. This one is the only one, no, it's not the only one, but it's just like you pronounce it in English. That's the same way we pronounce it in Edo. It is called, this is a Z. So in ABCD, you also say Z, especially in America. And it says Z. When we were in the British school, we used to call it Z. you know. But to America, I found that they call it Z. Okay, so let's run it through. A, B, D, A, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Oh, very good, very good, very good, very good. That's good. So the double consonants. In Benin, Edo language, we have some double consonants that we join together. Two letters joined together. It's called double consonants. Okay. All these are consonants except the vowels. I will show it to you just now. So the double consonants, they make Benin words very meaningful. Very meaningful. Look at them. There are 7. You say GB. GB is pronounced B. B. GH is pronounced G. 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 KP is pronounced B. B. KH is pronounced H. H. MW is pronounced M. M. VB is pronounced V. V. RH is pronounced R. 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 You get it? These are double consonants. The vowels in Edo language, they are very important. And you have seen them. You have seen the vowels already. But let me quickly point them out. The A, E, I, O, O, U. See? These are the vowels in Edo language. A, E, I, O, U. So when you see them, they help you to pronounce words and to spell words correctly. Okay, let me go back to Edo language. I want you to listen. What I said in Edo, I also said it in English. I want to go back to Edo now. You listen and try to grab it, okay? Edo waweso wabi da ho. Na oye emedo iwonye. Oye emedo iwonye. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Ekenadie oyi. Ani oyi ba. Ekenadie oyi. O anyasi yiba. Ekenadie eyi. Agade yiba. Ekenadie eyi. Agade yiba. Amen. Onu ya lowo. Maga iwana ne. Ma do su ati ni. Edobe ni yan ni wa do ati ni. Eni oge doma. Iwe nu su di wen. We nu su di wen. Ai do gbon la dia. Ni ma na we nu dege do le ye. Udo mi we ma ni bi edo ni bun mama egbin ni ma gba mi no keke o. We ma ya gbon ma gba ni bun ka o e ma ya. E ma ya gbon o ma gba eke ni lila. Ya ba mi be ni ge ya gbin ni a he. O wa ka bo wa iko won rion. Tun da oyewe mama ma gba nana. Ọ̀rẹ́ dẹ̀nẹ́ na ìwọ ni máa ló yẹ èmi èso yà zèrè bẹ́ẹ̀ ni máa wẹ̀ náà ìkìlọ̀ náà tó aládìá wúwẹ́ rẹ̀ ìkọ̀ náà aládìá wúwẹ́ rẹ̀